Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Wi-Fi grid out issue on iPhone iOS 17 after update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. First solution, you have turn on and turn off airplane mode. It sounds very simple and meaningless, but it is still the most immediate way to get rid of Wi-Fi problem. Try the ways below to turn on airplane mode off to fix the problem. So you have open the setting, turn on, turn off, then wait few seconds. So then second solution, you have update the iOS the latest version. So you have usually the incidents of grid out Wi-Fi problem may occur due the operating system issue. In such a situation, you can upgrade your iPhone system versions using iTunes or from the device setting and check whether the Wi-Fi works. So you have open the setting, click on general, click on software update. iOS latest version is available on your iPhone, so you must be installed on your iPhone. Then third solution, you have reset all setting on iPhone. If the problem is still existing or after resetting network setting, you can uh, reset all setting. You can take a further steps reset all settings. So you have open the setting, click on general again, scroll up, then you have click on transfer or reset. Click on reset all setting. iPhone given a passcode, then you have enter a passcode, then do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset all settings. Then fourth solution, you have reset network setting and restore the iPhone. Alternatively, the Wi-Fi grid out problem could also be caused by internal network errors on iPhone. Thus, you can try to reset network setting. You should know that everything saved in the current setting will be erased after resetting network setting, including VPN setting, Wi-Fi password, Bluetooth connection, etc. So you have open the setting again, click on general, click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset network setting, iPhone given a passcode, then you have enter a passcode of iPhone only. Reset network setting, do not lose any data on your iPhone. So then other solution, you have restart your iPhone. Press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restart, then your problem will be fixed. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.